Let's make 2 drinks from the Kraken Rum, Seeing Red and Witches Brew. We are going to make both of these drinks in the glass, and to start we're going to put the ice. You can use crushed ice if you want, like I said before. I'm not using crushed ice today. I'm not using that ice cube today. So I'm going to start with the rum. 2 parts rum. In this case, parts for me is going to mean ounce. 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of the Kraken Black Spice Rum. Half an ounce of lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. 3 ounces or 3 parts or 90 milliliters of pineapple juice. I'm going to add a little bit more ice just to top this off. Yeah, just 1 is enough. The garnish, there is no garnish listed. The picture of the Seeing Red has a very red looking drink. I don't know if you can see this, but that doesn't look red at all. And it asks for a splash of grenadine. A splash of grenadine is not going to turn this red. Kraken, you need a better picture, a more realistic one at least. So the garnish is actually the splash of grenadine, which I'm going to try and float on top. Note that I do make my own grenadine. The recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. Yeah, that's not going to do anything, is it? It's just sinking to the bottom, which is fine. I expected that from grenadine. It's kind of a rebellious syrup. And that's it. I think I was saying something, but let me know in the comments down below what I forgot. Oh, garnish. The picture of the Seeing Red does show some pineapple leaves, so if you have pineapple leaves and want to stick them in, feel free to do so. I'm not going to today. I'm just going to drink it as is. And there you have it, the Witches Brew and the Seeing Red. Drink with good spirits.